just gonna get this started now. Okay, so GPS is in this car now. You can see that. So start. Okay, so that's in there. Oh, right. Alright, we'll try and get everything sorted out here. Is this recording? I guess it is. Right. So I have these batteries heating. So I do. I'm not going to worry about those too much now. I'm going to take these off here. Oh, they are roasting. Let's hope this doesn't spin out, because oh goodness me, those batteries are warm. 60 degrees. Wow. But they'll lose heat as I'm putting them in here more than likely. So I'm not doing much talking at the minute. I'm a bit nervous, so I am. So, turn that around like that actually. In there. Red in there. I need my link wire. Link wire. Settle down, Jamie. So, in there. And then in there. Everything's good. That's set, that's set. Let's turn it on. Turn this on. Turn on that. Turn on the car. There. And hopefully everything goes and does as it's supposed to. Take your time. I made the right decision coming out. The weather forecast was terrible. I've driven an hour to get here, so I have. It was sketchy on the way up regarding when. You can see there's raindrops on the car here. It has dried out as well down here. It was wet, so it was. Right. This is the last time I'm out before this year, so I'm not going to be out again. So I'm hoping I'm going to see something positive here. I know I say that quite often, like, but let's just see how it goes. Hopefully it does what I wanted to do. I'm going to walk up here and make sure she's nice and straight. Let's turn this down to where I want it. Sorry, forgive me, I'm just having to really concentrate here. Hopefully that's sitting. I put these knobs on here because it makes it easier to do a bit more fine tuning. Make sure that car doesn't take off. I'll keep looking towards it. So I put those on it to make it easier to fine tune. So I did. So we'll see what this does here. And hopefully there's a van sitting down there probably watching me. But sorry about the long video. Well, the long part of the video, but I need to make sure it's going to do what I want it to do. And hopefully it stays where it needs to be. Right, okay. Steering's right, let's go. That was a good one. That was a good one. See the smoke coming off the Oh my god, smoke coming off the, I can't even speak. There was smoke coming off the titanium nuts, that's what I'm trying to say. That was good. If that's quite a good number, I'm going to line it up again. Right, turn all that off and chill. Let's see what we got. That was quick. That was very quick. I am shaking. Let's see what we got. And then I'm going to sit and rest for a bit. Stop. Read. 155 mile an hour there. Right. We're going to go again. We'll charge up and we'll go again. Come on. I can afford to let that sing a wee bit longer, so I can. So I'm going to do that. Brilliant. That's great news. Well pleased with that. Right, let's get everything sort of heated up again and charged up again.